But I didn't insult my papa like that. I didn't laugh.
So Mali, I didn't balam kujirani la Ukraine, Ukraine, Russia.
Hey, Chiwedu, thank you. Buddy, maybe they insult my father like that. Everybody, let's go. Keep following.
Team Fufu, I think I like. Right, Kana?
DMC, thank you.
I like my favorite food is fufu. This is my favorite.
Ah, so you know fufu? You know fufu? Yes. Soup. What do you like fufu with? Like, what's it?
It consists of members of maize.
Yes, I know. Like, what do you like to eat it with? Or you just eat it like that? You eat fufu like
because when you eat fufu, you never got hungry. You never got hungry easily. Your stomach become rocket when you eat that food.
you want to try us? Your tummy will be very, very strong. Afina, thank you. Big Daddy.
Fufu دعون له ورا بدي ملا هذاك تسمعوني كده هيا last minute.
Let's go. Keep following me back. Last minute. Show love to my gifters. We won. Hey, we won. Let them know. Raymond, thank you. Thank you so much for the gift.
The punishment is 5K, right? 5K.
Is what?
When we are Somali community, we play 5. When you get a 5K, that's punishment.
5K. What is 5K? Get up to 5K coins.
5K coins, that.
Is it 5? Okay. That's when I'll give you punishment.
5K, if you get 5K,
that's when I'll give you punishment. Okay, I get. Now I get. What kind of punishment with that? How my papa wants to reach 5K. Guys, let's go. Alfina, thank you. Everybody, let's go. Celebrity, thank you so much for the gift. Follow every gift you see. Okay? Follow my friends in the comments.
Top 3, top 2 top 1.
Guys, following list. Following list. Following list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Followers list top 20. Guys, let's go. Following list 5. Followers list top 20. Please, guys, don't leave here the way you entered. Everybody, let's go. Alpina, thank you. OJ, thank you so much for the gifts. Everybody, let's go. Keep going, keep making friends. Keep on following me. Keep following me back. Para, thank you so much. Bitazo, thank you. Guys, keep going, keep making friends. Keep on following me. Keep following me back. Besta, I say thank you. OJ, thank you. Guys, please follow my gifters. Tag them and FB. Love for love, sweet for sweet. Love, sweet. Love for love. Everybody, let's go.
وابدا والبناك بدار لا ما يصد البطوه يا براي تي اداتين بدار لا yeah
that's problem in the
language. You never understand my language.
I don't understand though. I'm liking it.
My eyes.
I'm actually I'm enjoying it. I want to learn. Clay, thank you so much. Sophie Star Tom.
انجليز لما اقول لك انا ويقنا ما ادري ما ترى انجليز لما اقول لك انا والله بقول لك انا هيا هيا بسم الله ولا
thank you so much. Nobody got it with you. Amen, my sister. Thank you.
Hey, send me motorbike. Challenge I'm doing motorbike.
Queen Delije, thank you. Guys, let's go. Voice of Free, thank you so much for the gifts. Guys, follow my gift. Tag them and Vina, thank you so much. Pamira, thank you.
وحبوا عنكر بس هالموت ابو عنكر challenging. Oh my gosh.
Sophie, thank you so much for the gift. Guys, let's go. Keep going, keep making friends, keep adding people to your list, keep on following me, keep following me back. Show love to my gifters, guys. You follow them, you tag them and FB. Guys, please follow every gifter you see up their gifting. Follow tag FB, love for love, sweet for sweet, follow for full and catch for catch. It's your first time here, guys. You're welcome. Which of these gifters have you not followed? Please follow my gifters, follow my friends in the comment section. Top 20 on my followers list. Guys, let's go.
So, where do you live in Nigeria?
I'm in Lagos.
Lagos?
Yes.
Do you know Yakubu? Yakubu, do you know Yakubu?
I don't know. Have you been to Lagos before?
Oh, another guy is. Do you know JJ Okaja?
Ah. Yes. The Have you been to Nigeria? Have you been to Nigeria before?
Ali, you live in Nigeria out of city, right? As I think. If you don't know JJ Okaja.
Kali, thank you. I know he's a footballer, but I don't watch. Rosely, thank you so much. Hey, I guess stomach pain. Araza. Araza, thank you. Have you been to Nigeria before? You know what the Guys, follow my gifters, tag them and FB. Keep growing, keep making friends, keep adding people to your list. Guys, don't leave here without connecting my gifters. Nijum, thank you so much. Everybody.
Hey, last time.
Ha! Last time. I dey fear. Okay. Araza, thank you. Lo, thank you so much. Voice of Free, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Thank you so much.
Hiya, how many games we play? I just wanted to sleep.
Yes, I also want to end the live now.
Okay, last game, so let me sleep.
Okay. Slim, I don't need thank you so much.
Last game, please don't
Nigeria.
قول
Easy me, thank you. Show love to my gifters, Slim. Thank you so much for the gifts. Guys, show love to every gifter you see of the gifting. Tap on them and give them a follow. It's your first time here, guys. You're welcome. Guys, following list, please go follow 5, guys. I'll soon be editing the live and it's still tomorrow. Peace, Tom. Thank you so much for the gift. Everybody you're growing, everybody you're making friends. I am Letitia. Thank you so much. Guys, let's go. Follow my gifters, tag them and FB. Love for love, sweet for sweet, follow for follow, and catch for catch. Everybody, let's go. Follow for follow, catch for catch, love for love, and sweet for sweet. It's your first time here, guys. You're welcome. Keep showing love to my gifters.
That's give
keep showing love to my gifters. Fumi, thank you so much for the gift. Everybody, let's go. Thank you so much. Guys, let's go. Follow me. 20 other followers. Rukisa, thank you. Guys, please grab every gift out of the gift. Return favors, guys. I'll soon be Hey, see this movie. Is it the one we watch? It's fun. How? It's more scary. Letitia, thank you so much. Young Fairy, thank you so much for the gift. Guys, please show love to my gifters. Follow them, tag them, and everything. Ice Lena, thank you. Official Sam, thank you so much. Guys, it's your friend. Everybody, let's go. Follow my gifters, tag them, and everything. Follow my friends in the comment section. Guys, keep on following me. Keep following me. Keep adding people to your list. Let's go. Guys, you're following me, but top 20. Follow my gifters, tag them and everything. Keep on following me, keep following me back.
هيا واحد لبي طبعا 12 roses هيا
Wow
12 roses
12 roses
والله عربي فروري 6 بقى كلها دي
maybe there is not like that
لا واحد بس
لا I want to learn your language. If you're not teaching me, I'll teach myself.
Okay. Is there another mother language in Nigeria beside English?
Yes, there is Yoruba, there is Hausa, there is Igbo. Yes.
Okay.
Different language. There's Calabar.
Tell me.
But those are the three major.
Say one sentence. Say one sentence.
Ana Mabia. That's I'm coming in Igbo.
Yeah? Yeah,
Ana Mabia. Ana Mabia.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أنا
Mabia. Blay, Nico, thank you so much for the gift.
Another sentence.
Rieri. Even myself, I don't know.
Yeah.
Actually, me, Rieri. Re.
Atara wa yuru. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Thank you so much. Fine, ugly boy. Thank you so much for the gifts. Guys, you're growing and guys, you're making friends. Show love to every gifter I see of the gifting. Slim, Eno, thank you. Guys, let's go.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow, على كل ما يوم كنا وقدام بين nobody brand. Last game one.
Thank you so much for the gifts. Guys, let's go. Or follow me and the follow back top 20 under my followers list. Show love to every gifter you see of the gifting. Let's tap on them and give them a follow. Everybody.
I'm seeing us up. I'm seeing us up. Atara ora uru aitiri wala. Thank you. Hiya.
Guys, let's go. Keep on following me. Keep following me. But keep adding people to you.
Well, last game.
Everybody on following me and everybody on following me.
هل مرة وذا جرا ونقرعني يا أخي. Last game.
Gabar language. Messi, thank you. Everybody, let's go. Messi, thank you. Show love to every gifter you see of their gifting. Tap on them and give them a follow. Everybody on follow me or follow me back. I see and thank you. Only very KK, thank you.
Okay, last game.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for that gift. I appreciate you. Everybody, let's go. Follow every gifter you see of their gifting. You're tapping on their profile picture. You're connecting with them. Yes! Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the gift. God bless you. Makia, thank you so much. Thank you. I see my top 3 gifters. Please.
Okay. Next time we pick a big game. Huh? Best
all
of
right.
3.